Shenzhen Min Shun Long Trading Company Limited is a comprehensive enterprise committed to design and selling houseware and kitchenware products. Our associated factory, located in Nanping City, Fujian Province, China, which cover an area of more than 8,000 square meters of and has more than 42 workers. We have more than 8 years export experience. In order to expand our business, we have established sales office in Shenzhen. All your designs and requests are welcome, and we can do artwork as your request before sampling, and then make sample according to artwork for your confirmation. Our quality and productivity are very stable and reliable. Our focus markets are America and Europe, which are including supermarket, wholesalers, and Amazon sellers worldwide. Higher quality and faster delivery time to satisfy our customer is our eternal tenet. Based on the production of our own factory, we also cooperate with many other professional factories to meet the diverse needs of customer with steady good quality. Against our competitive price and superior service to bring lower cost and more benefit for our client. Our main products include bamboo shelf, bamboo cutting board, cheese board, bamboo coat rack, bamboo tray, bamboo drawer organizer, bamboo bread box, bamboo caddy tray, bamboo wire rack, and etc. Also, OEM orders are welcome. Sincerely hope could get your chance to develop a long-term cooperation with you. We believe we can achieve a win-win cooperation.